Hey gang, Skypilot here. Yes, the EMAX Race 2. The clouds have started to thin out, the wind's dropped off a bit, so I'm just going to have a bit of line of sight. Bit of DVR recording on the Skyzones there, and check out this ripper little unit. Check out my previous video there gang, text and specs and weigh in and for some details about EMAX's latest fun flyer. A couple of mods I've done. I've just put a cable tie in the back here, just so the antennas don't fall down and smack on those props. Wouldn't want the 7500 kVs to chop them up. Apart from that, standard battery wire strap down, and we are good to go. She pretty well just about points straight to the sky. So I think this thing can be quite aggressive, so I will point it down a bit, as I'm just going to have a cruise around and hopefully not sink it into the water like I did with my last EMAX. Thanks for stopping by. The Race 2. Let's get racing. So pumping out the 200 milliwatts folks for our VTX today. Remember, it only says 200 once you have armed. Let's feel out the tune on this thing. Yeah, hey, it's feeling pretty smooth, and as you can hear folks, it is a little bit windy here today. So, yeah. Hey, not too bad. Let's do a bit of a punch out here. Really nice. Wow. Okay. Hey. Feeling pretty good, folks. Yeah, quite liking this tune at this stage for sure. Getting a couple of RFs low here, but I think that could be the batteries more than anything. This thing zips along pretty decent, folks, let me tell you. 1 minute I'm here, and the next minute I'm there. Okay. And through we go. Straight away guys, kicking goals with this thing, nice. A bit breezy here, let's see how we go for some slow steady flight, shall we? And that came that close to those lights, it wasn't funny. Let's try that again, shall we? Of course you can fly this 1S if you want. I haven't tried it yet. Rumour has it it's fairly underpowered at 1S. But as you can see, even with a bit of wind and nice and gentle on the sticks, you can actually hover quite well. And we hit the pole. Yeah, it's called the race for a reason, folks, because yeah, it's fast, really fast. She makes line of sight really difficult, let me tell you. Of course, going like always, link down below where you get this little cracker from. And we'll stay away from those goals this time. Punch out. Land now, it's saying. Okay, so these batteries I just put in aren't all that good. It's telling me to land, so I better do as it says. So it's not showing 7.4, not sure why. Okay. Yeah, battery low. Okay. Let's see if we can do an aircraft landing. Okay, wish me luck. Here we go. Nice. Ah, perfect landing. Quick VTX, quick scoot around the EMAX Race 2. 200 milliwatts of fun, gang. Check out my other videos, as I said before. Check out the links below for all bits and pieces. And thank you very much for joining me. See you next time, very soon. Sky Pilot in the sky. Catch you later on. This thing's a beauty.